Act and adapt. It's what we do. That was the takeaway message from the Climate Adaptation Week, held from the 19th until the 25th of January 2021 in Groningen. This university city in the northern part of the Netherlands holds a key position as a knowledge and solution hub concerning climate adaptation, which is one of the biggest challenges of the 21st century. Over the course of the week, a lot of people and organizations from many countries came together to participate in our free online interactive festival to jointly address the urgent matter of climate change. There was an extensive exchange of knowledge, experiences, and innovative ideas. Visitors from all over the world participated in the festival. International scientists signed the Science Declaration, committing to prioritize actions against climate change. A lot of young people from various parts of the world joined the festival and shared ideas on how to adapt to and take action against the changing climate. 9 international design agencies proudly presented 10 climate adaptive solutions for the Groningen region. We are not finished yet. We will continue to work together for a healthy, safe and green future for all of us. We must continue to act and adapt. It's what we do.